What animal dies without having sex? Who has 360-degree vision? And what animal loves to get drunk? Welcome to Hidden Facts. Today we cover the 8 weirdest facts about animals. Number 8. A flamingo's head has to be upside down when it eats. Flamingos have to turn their heads upside down when they eat. This is because of the unique shape of their beaks and the way they filter food. Flamingos have long, slender beaks designed to scoop up water and mud from ponds and shallow lakes. They then use their tongues to push water through comb-like structures in their beaks called lamellae, which filter out tiny organisms like algae, plankton, and small crustaceans. To be able to scoop up water and mud, the flamingo has to bend its neck and head down so the top of the head is facing the ground. Ever tried drinking water with a head upside down? Number 7. Female ferrets die without clapping. Female ferrets are induced ovulators, meaning they only ovulate when they mate or are stimulated to mate. This is why without mating, they can develop a life-threatening condition called aplastic anemia. During the heat cycle, the high estrogen levels in the female ferret's body can cause the bone marrow to stop producing red and white blood cells, leading to anemia and a weakened immune system. Without treatment, this can be fatal. However, spaying the female ferret can prevent this condition from occurring, as it removes the source of the hormone imbalance. Enjoying the video so far? Then make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Number 6. Only half a dolphin's brain sleeps at a time. Dolphins are known for their intelligence, and one of the fascinating things about their brain is that they don't sleep like humans. Instead of shutting down their entire brain, dolphins enter a state of unihemispheric sleep, meaning that only half their brain sleeps at a time. During this time, the other half of the brain remains awake and alert, allowing the dolphin to continue swimming, surfacing for air, and avoiding predators. After a few hours, the sleeping half of the brain wakes up, and the awake half goes to sleep. This allows dolphins to maintain awareness and responsiveness while sleeping, vital for survival in the wild. It's worth noting that dolphins still need a certain amount of uninterrupted sleep to function properly. Studies have shown that they can suffer from sleep deprivation like humans. What would you do if you could live without sleeping? Number 5. Armadillos can catch leprosy. Yes, it's a known fact that armadillos can catch leprosy. Leprosy, or Hansen's disease, is a bacterial infection affecting the skin and nerves. It is caused by a bacterium called Mycobacterium leprae, which is closely related to the bacterium that causes tuberculosis. Studies have found that armadillos are a source of this human infection in certain parts of the world. While armadillos are not considered a major source of leprosy transmission, people who come into contact with them should take precautions to avoid potential exposure, such as wearing gloves and washing their hands thoroughly after handling armadillos or other habitats. Luckily, today leprosy is treatable with antibiotics. Most people who contract the disease can fully recover with proper medical care. Remember these good old times when people with leprosy were kept out of society? Number 4. A cockroach's brain is in its body. Cockroaches are unique creatures in many ways, and one of those ways is the location of their brain. Specifically, cockroaches have a collection of nerve cells called ganglia throughout their body. These ganglia are connected by nerves that allow the cockroach to coordinate its movements and behaviors. The largest ganglion, the supraesophageal ganglion, is located in the head and controls sensory information and processing. This distributed nervous system allows cockroaches to continue moving even if they lose their head, as the ganglia in the body can still coordinate movement. In fact, some studies have shown that a decapitated cockroach can continue to live for several weeks before eventually dying due to dehydration or infection. When's the last time you saw a cockroach? Number 3. Frogs have a 360-degree visual range. Frogs are known for their excellent vision, which allows them to detect movement and prey from a distance. One fascinating aspect of their vision is their 360-degree visual range. Unlike humans who have binocular vision and can see objects before them, frogs have eyes on the sides of their heads positioned almost entirely forward. This gives them an incredible field of view, allowing them to see nearly everything around them without moving their heads. When was the last time you checked your vision? Number 2. Sperm whales communicate through clicks. Sperm whales are known for their ability to communicate with each other using a series of clicks and other sounds. These clicks are produced by the whales in a pattern called a coda. These codas are used to communicate with other whales in their group and can vary in complexity, duration, and pitch. Sperm whales have the largest brain of any animal on Earth, and this helps them to communicate effectively with each other. The clicks are produced by the whale's nasal passages and are amplified by the whale's skull. These clicks are then sent into the water where they can travel many miles. Would you like to learn a clicking language to keep anonymous conversations with your buddies? Number 1. Wild chimpanzees that love to get hammered. Yes, wild chimpanzees in Guinea have been observed consuming fermented palm sap and becoming tipsy. The sap is obtained by cutting a hole in the trunk of a raffia palm tree and collecting the liquid that oozes out. This sap contains natural yeasts that ferment the sugar in the sap, producing a mildly alcoholic drink. The chimpanzees have been observed using tools such as leaf sponges to dip into the fermented sap and then suck on the sponges to drink the liquid. They've also been observed sharing the drink with other group members. Would you like to learn more weird facts about animals? Let us know in the comments section. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can enjoy the excellent content we send your way.